All right, this is a 42-inch, I believe, Lasco House Beautiful ceiling fan installed in the dining room at my distant cousin's house that we're remodeling right now. And this fan is also going to be getting replaced with a chandelier pretty soon, probably a few weeks or so, whenever we get around to it. So I believe it's 42 inches, but it actually looks smaller. It might actually be 36 inches, but you guys will have to let me know. There's the light. It's actually the first time I've ever seen it run before. So, I guess that's low. I think it's about up to speed now. Here's medium. Sorry about the background noise. Yeah, pretty fast medium speed, but I guess that's what you expect on little fans, so. Here's high. That's a fast little thing for sure. Yeah, blows a ton of air for sure. But I can see the point on why they're replacing it, because this is the dining room. Dining rooms don't need ceiling fans that bad. I think the living room needs a ceiling fan more than anything else. I don't know why they put the chandelier in there, but here I can understand. I'll talk them into putting a different ceiling fan in the living room instead of a light fixture, because it works better. All right, I guess that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.